Hello, everyone. Well, this is going to be particularly exciting, feels like Christmas, because I have purchased a mystery 12 clip Squishmallow pack from Walmart. So, complete mystery, no idea what I'm going to get. And I'm looking forward to it because I love surprises. All I know is there are no duplicates. So, this is gonna be quite fun. What I did get this pack, which is nice and dark, but I don't want to pull out the whole pack that's in there because I don't want to be spoiled. I want to pull them out one by one just to see what I got. So we're going to do this one at a time. I'm just going to shove my hand in there and pull all the clips one by one. That's definitely what I want to do. So let's start with the first one. Oh, and thank goodness they come with the tags because for me that was very important. I collect and I keep all the tags in a safe place in a binder. So thankfully, hopefully, all these clips will have tags on them. And of course, they come with the little, as I call them, butt tags. So thank goodness for that. But here we have Sabine, I see that. It's obviously a clip-on. So there you have the first one, Sabine. So that's very exciting. Again, there are no duplicates, so looking forward to that. It seems like it's an older clip because there's still a picture of the squad in the tag. I know they've gotten rid of that. And it used to be written in English and in French, and now the new tags are only in English. So Sabine is our first clip, so that's exciting. Let's see what else we got. Again, I'm just shoving my hand in there and grabbing one. Oh, the bumblebee. Oh my gosh, it looks like a little crown. Look at that. The little wings are shiny, sparkly. Look at her. Oh, and the name is Sunny. Well, that's definitely fitting, of course, with the little yellow clip. How precious is she? I love her. It seems like a lot of some of them, these two are maybe a little deformed, but the good thing with Squishmallows is you just give them a little plump and they should be good to go. The tags are so long. Look at their butt tags. So long. But again, I will never cut these off because then they lose their value if you ever want to trade them. I do cut these off and I put them in my binder, so that's what I will do as well. But there's number 2. Let's see what else we get. Oh, so excited. Oh my gosh, what is this? Is this like a little alien? What is that? Pillar. So caterpillar? Certainly doesn't look like a caterpillar with little weird wiggly arms like that. It looks more like a little alien. I love the green color, light green with a little bit of dark green. The tags are in perfect shape, especially these. It's important to have these in perfect shape, not ripped or bent or torn or any of that. So far it looks like, we have 3 from this squad. We have the fox, the bee, and it looks like, I guess, the caterpillar. So I wonder if we're going to get all the ones in this squad. I wouldn't mind that. So pillar is our number 3. Let's see what else we get. Oh my goodness. It's a little, what is this? Oh my, I've never seen this tag. Is this like a lamb Pegasus unicorn? I don't know. This must be much older because look at that. The squad is actually on the outside of the tag. It says collect us all. So that's interesting. What year? Usually it says their size and the year, but that must be really old because I don't even see, first of all, a size, and I do not see a year in them. Interesting. So she must be much older, I guess. A little pink clip on it, but she is very cute. I am loving these sparkles. Adorable. Okay, so that's another one. Let's see what else we got. A little Bigfoot. Oh my god. I wish the little clips had the beanie toes on the feet, but that's okay. Look how cute, little fuzzy head. I love that turquoise blue. I love that color. And Joelle is the name. Now let's see, is this part of our squad where we got those first? Yes. So Joelle is the very top on that squad right here. So we have Joelle the caterpillar, the bee, and the fox. Very nice. All right, let's see what else. Oh, a little cute like sleeping unicorn. Little sparkly ears, a little horn right here, a little fuzz on the belly. Let's see, we have a tag, and this is Rodina, and Rodina is also part of the squad. So the only one we're missing from that squad is that little reindeer right here, that little deer. That is so cute. Well, hopefully we'll have the deer, so then for the first time ever, I'll have the entire squad. That's exciting. But yeah, I'm loving the tie-dyes are not always the best, but look, even the hair is tie-dye. I think those are very pretty colors. I like. Okay, so let's see what else. There's more. It's a little Triceratops. Oh my goodness. So this is from this squad. So, okay, it seems like we might get two squads because these two are from the same squad. Yep. Same tag, same squad. She's first. He's down the line on this side. So very, oh, so soft, so squishy. This one has a green clip. Very nice, very plump. I love it. This is my first Triceratops. Adorable. I absolutely love it. All right, so let's see what else. I'm still reaching in there. And there it is, the little deer that I'm missing from this one squad. So I got an entire squad. Well, that's a first. I've never had this entire squad. I have it all. So exciting. She is so pretty. She has a light blue clip. And look at her. She's like light purple, and the little antlers are sparkly. Oh, she's so pretty. What is her name? Farron. That's how I would say it. Okay. Very nice. All right. Let's see what else. Oh, it's so exciting. Yay! Oh my gosh. So it is out of that same squad where I have so far the little unicorn lamb and the little Triceratops. So here is... Do they even have names, these ones? I didn't even look because I don't see... Oh, Charlotte. Okay, so they do have a name on the inside of the tag. Never mind. If I open the tag and look at it. So this is Charlotte, and I don't know. I missed the other names, I guess, on the other ones. Sorry for my cat meowing. He likes to do that. Okay, Triceratops. I missed the name. What's the name of Triceratops? Tristan. Very nice. Tristan a Triceratops. And then what's the other one in the squad? Little lamb unicorn. Okay, so what's your name? Let's see. Lucy May. Oh, how sweet. Love it. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, the pretty purple butterfly. Same squad. So I'm missing the octopus and the shark, maybe it looks like. So let's see. Your name is Brenda. Very pretty. I love how they come with little stories. Oh, she's so shiny and pretty. I love that purple color. Just look at her. Oh my goodness. I know I'm like a little kid, but I can't help it. And there's the octopus. Love it. How cute. So this is Veronica. Very cute. Octopus or jellyfish? I never know what these guys are. I don't know. This is like a tan brown color. I mean, she's pretty. She's not sparkly. The tags are very nice. Very clean. Very vibrant colors. I like it. So we're just missing the shark. Is there one more? There's just one more. And then that's it. We got the whole thing. And it's the shark. It's perfect. I have two full squads. I am super excited. So Mr. Shark. Is this a shark? Was this like a Finding Nemo? I don't know. Ricky, what does it say what they are? Living up to his species. Well, I don't know. Are you a shark? You're a fish. I mean, you're definitely an ocean dweller. That nice kind of darker blue. I love his white stripes. Oh, but I am so excited. Look at this. We got two full squads out of this Walmart mystery box. That is really neat. How exciting. They are so pretty. All the conditions are absolutely perfect. The tags are in perfect condition. They are very cute, very plump. The quality is perfect. There's nothing bad to say about it. I am thrilled. This is absolutely amazing. For my first two full squads of clips, I got them all. This is exciting. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment, or I love to discuss different collections. So, and then please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one because I have some more exciting things coming out soon. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.